for me, the first thing is we're in the print and PC business, right? So a large portion of our business is transactional PCs and print model. Now the print is moving, but what's happening with this transactional model is moving to a contractual model. You see that in printing. So the first step is to continue to drive and be present and be a market leader in PCs and print in the transactional model. The second aspect is to move that model to a contractual business. And with that, we created a new business unit called the Services and Solutions Business Unit, whose task will be is to take the transactional business and move it into a contractual space, like we've done with managed print services. So selling devices as a service, looking at the services capabilities around the box that we could be building to build the contractual relationship with customers. So that's the second big thing. Then the third aspect is moving to what we call collaborative computing. When you start getting into 3D, you've seen the Sprout product that we brought in for consumers. That's now going to be, we're going to talk about that moving into the commercial space. So how do you take some of that collaborative computing and move to a collaborative world around computing? And that's more, again, around software solutions and integration of the capabilities that you have across PCs and print. So that will be our strategy based off the strategy we have today. The interesting thing is the strategy we had today is not going to change. We're just going to have more flexibility to put it into the right investment buckets. You know, today as a corporation, the corporation had to prioritize investment. It may have been cloud as opposed to a laserjet printer, right? So all of a sudden you now get to focus your own investments that you're bringing from your own P&L into the investments of your strategy. So our strategy hasn't changed. You're going to see Dion present that later this afternoon. But it's now more focused on innovation and putting more R&D behind the innovation arrow. And you're going to see, since the separation, the areas of innovation we've already made is now going to get accelerated.